It's been a long night of editing, so I'm feeling a little tired, but we're getting moving on this F350. We're going to be doing a protective coating of ceramic coating, and we are just getting moving. Again, things are moving a little slow this morning, so we're taping the truck off here. We've opened the doors and taped off the rubber door seals inside, front and back. Getting ready to do paint corrections for the protective ceramic coating. More taping to go. We just got done with the ceramics. That's starting to apply booster to everything to kind of smooth the surfaces and put a protective coating over it. Well, we just got done ceramic coating this truck. Turned out slick. Pretty happy with how it is. Hope everyone likes the video. I had to leave for a couple hours for a meeting, so I didn't get all of it. Well, I'm super happy that it didn't rain today. And the customer is on his way to pick up the truck. Let's take a quick walk around.